In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your accounts in Wave. If you're looking to keep your financial records accurate and up to date, reconciling your accounts is a vital step in maintaining your financial health. And the good news is, with Wave accounting, this can be done efficiently in just a few minutes. So, let's begin the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wave accounting website. If you don't have this bookmarked yet, you might want to consider doing so for future easy access. Next, look toward the top right of the homepage, where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. You'll be prompted to log into your account. If you're using Google for your login, click on Sign In with Google, and then select the appropriate Google account associated with your Wave account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account to access your business financials. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the main dashboard. Here you'll need to locate the Accounting section. Clicking on this will open up your accounting options. From here, click on Transactions. This is where all the magic happens, where you'll be reconciling your accounts. In the Transactions tab, find the drop-down located on the top left side. This drop-down will allow you to select the specific account you are looking to reconcile. Make your selection, ensuring you've got the right account lined up for reconciliation. Accuracy here is key, so take your time to choose correctly. Now, glance over to the top right side of the page, where you will see the option to turn on Reconciliation. Activate this feature to begin the reconciliation process. Then, move to the Statement End Date field. This is critical to match your physical or digital statement period with the account you're reconciling. Choose your dates to ensure your records align perfectly. Following that, it's time to type in the closing balance from your account statement. This number is essential for ensuring everything adds up at the end, so be accurate and double-check your input. Once you've entered this information, you're ready to start. Click on Start Reconciling, which will bring you to a more detailed view of your account transactions. As you go through each transaction, carefully check each entry against the statement. On the far right side of each transaction, there's a Match button. Click these to confirm that the transaction aligns with your records. It may take some time to match each one, but patience is key to precise reconciliation. And once you've reviewed all your transactions and matched them correctly, all that's left is to wrap up the process by clicking End Reconciliation. Congratulations, you've successfully reconciled your accounts in Wave. Following this process regularly helps keep your business finances in tip-top shape. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy accounting!